YouTube. Today we're going to be installing a front lip on my Miata, and this is going to be a real quick install video. Hope you guys like it. Step one here is going to be to jack it up. And now we're going to be letting it down onto jack stands. All right, one wheel down. Round number 2. And then now lower the second one on the jack stands. And there we go. All right, here we go. Looks pretty good. It's good to clamp it on and see how it looks. Alright, well, the clamps aren't working at all, so we're just going to tape it on. Okay, well, the tape didn't work either, so now we're just gonna spot all the holes with a Sharpie, and hopefully that works. Painter's tape didn't work, and then we were just gonna try and clamp it, and that didn't work, so now we're here with duct tape, and hopefully it works. I don't know why, but the new lip is really, really slippery, and it doesn't want to let anything stick to it, but here we are. So we drilled in the first couple screws, as you can see here. I'm gonna drill in a couple for you guys, but it's looking good. It's going smoother than I expected. And now that's on there. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go and shoot some rollers of the car with the new lip on. That way everybody can see what it looks like when it's driving. Maybe we'll do some donuts or something with it. And yeah, you guys will be able to see what it looks like with the new lip on. Look how close this is. Alright, come in slow, come in slow. Wow. Okay, well, we ended up getting some pretty cool rollers for it, and I'd say today was a pretty successful day with the donuts. Were really fun. Got to do a couple of those. It took a couple takes to get it, but it looked really good. And as always, if you like the video, consider subscribing, like, all that stuff. Thanks for watching.